Hello, in this video I would like to show some few techniques to manage the entrance of tunnels, the kind of tunnel head I would say, but just something little fast to clean up the head of the tunnels. So here I'm starting by creating a linear along the edge of the platform, the approach I would say. So of course you can do something better with more details, but here just create 3 linears than a complex. Again, I name the element. This kind of designs, very useful. Pick in good order, good direction. Here it is. And now just create the profile, and I will use a 3D cut to snap on the existing edge. So must activate also the snap on my reference, and just create some linears as well, snapping the existing design. Again, it's just a sketch to show you the techniques. It's a very quick design. Then set the profile as the active profile. Here it is, and you can see it in the 3D model. Then I will apply a template, and I'm just showing you the template I'm using here, made of 3 components. One to seek the tunnel, following by one that is seeking the terrain. If the second one doesn't exist, the first won't exist, and the same for the first. And the alternative is to directly target the existing if the tunnel does not exist. So very simple template here. So I will use my apply linear template command to use this template along my linear. Here it is, but as you can see, we don't use the tunnel yet. So I am adding some target aliasing for the active surface and the tunnel. I like to be explicit here, so that's it. And you can see now that I don't have the slope inside the tunnel. And you can see the DNC that was off. And of course, I need to refine a little bit the end conditions and to add some end condition exception, like I did between the track. I must remove the end condition out of the track on left and right side. Here it is. The first didn't work, maybe because of circular dependency. When I snap, you must take care of not snapping something down from the corridor, because it will create circular dependencies. Now it did work as expected. I can recalculate my tunnel head, and you can see now it's nicely following my linear, targeting the terrain or the tunnel. I must refine a little bit inside. It can happen sometimes, so you can lower the interval, so using the linear stroking along the linear, that could give a better result. So the end of the process is just to create the hole in the terrain. So to do that, I must create a shape and just create the clipped terrain model inside this shape. So here I will use a region. So try to isolate the lines I want, the linears I want to use to create my region. As always, I prefer to name and to featureize my elements. So here is my clipping shape. And now I can just use this one to clip my terrain model. Here it is. And yeah, I didn't model between the tracks, and I need some adjustment along the outside, but that's to show you the techniques.